Or Dorothy Lynch Sloppy Joes.
That's right, John. We are using this famous Nebraska product, Dorothy Lynch, today to create a famous food, Sloppy Joes. This is already posted on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page. Around 130 shares already because people like both of these things.
Yeah, good.
You know,
That's
and
always...
so this recipe, is this from you, Carol?
Actually, I got it from a friend's daughter-in-law, Darcy Rinke, and her mom uses it also. So it's a family, kind of a family recipe, but it's delicious. And I'd like to say my ground beef is locally raised. It came out of the feed yard, and their pen mates all go to Grand Island, so it's about as local as you can get.
Yes, it is. All right.
So we mix cloves of garlic, chopped onions, and you can brown the hamburger with these first. I already browned my hamburger.
Of course, garlic is so good to use.
Oh, it is. And then some salt and pepper.
Okay.
Dried mustard. I love dried mustard. I use that in so many things. And garlic powder. Then a can of tomato paste with the can of water. And that's what this is.
Oh, tomato paste mixed with the water?
Tomato paste mixed with the water.
Okay.
2 tablespoons of honey. That gives it, I don't know, you can put sugar. I put a little bit of sugar in chili. I put sugar in a lot of different things.
Yeah, John
some
does
Worcestershire
too.
sauce.
There you go, John. Someone else who likes to use sugar.
The reason for the name, a half a cup of Dorothy Lynch dressing.
Half a cup, okay.
A half a cup. Then you stir together and simmer for about 30 minutes.
And this is what it looks like right here.
And that's what it looks like when it's finished. Okay. And you can serve it on, I got some little slider buns, but you know, big buns, or put pickle on it, put a cheese on it. They're delicious. It's really, really delicious.
Ooh, and this is for me?
That's for you. Yes, that's for you.
Okay, let me give it a try.
It is good. It is good. And I think the Dorothy Lynch dressing gives it some kind of, I don't know, just a deep, I don't know, just a subtone, a sub-taste. A subtone, kind of like when you're talking about wine tasting, there's that subliminal tone to it or taste, and it's really good.
Right, no reason to buy the store-bought.
No.
Just make your own. This is really good.
Yeah.
Again, we have the recipe and the picture on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page if you would like to give it a try. Back to you, John.